Hey folks, Warren Goodrow, What a Deal Travel. If you can dream it, we can do it. And we're here at beautiful Castaway Cay, Disney's private island. And what a beautiful place this is. You know, you've got the place practically all to yourself. Whether you're renting a bicycle or you're doing the stingray swim, snorkeling out to see where Mickey's out at the middle of the lagoon out there, or whether you're just checking out the slide behind you, you are going to love this, and you're going to have a great time on a Disney cruise. Because we're having a great time, and we want you to have a great time too. Remember, Warren Goodrow, What a Deal Travel. If you can dream it, we can do it.